is my DIY cold start silencer. It's composed of a Supply Giant 6156 flexible PVC reducing coupling with stainless steel clamps, and I also changed the clamps I'm using right now the iSpinner 4-inch type stainless steel gear hose clamps for an easy on and off and locking in. And also here is a Scotchbrite stainless steel copper coated scrubber, and inside is just a regular stainless steel scrubber. I'm also putting inside it Steelwool just for added dampening, and this goes over my 4-inch exhaust steps, and I have two of this exhaust steps, so I have two of this one, and this is how it goes. It goes in easy, and then just two twist, and that's not going anywhere. And here how it sounds.